climb up with that thing on. So yeah, Shanil, how's it feel to be back in Portland?
My vagina hurts.
Yeah. My wiener about broke off this morning. A little painful.
What if it would have ripped off and got stuck?
There's not much you could do but call an ambulance. Like, yeah, we were having sex and stuff to go.
That'd be funny.
We need medical attention stat.
Where's this rockin' bus?
I don't know, we gotta wait probably 10 minutes. Last time we went down, it was on Saturday too, wasn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, dude, watch it. I think a bird just pooped.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Saw something fall from the sky. It's right. Watch out, there's this bird on his wire. Okay. Enough. Oh, dude, it pooped again. Dude, seriously, there is a poop on it.
Oh my god, there's so many of them up there.
Dude, watch, you'll see something fall. Oh, they're gone now.
You did not just smell that.
That bitch is insane, dude.